Money is what my father said. It's like a loaded gun or like a grenade that the pin is almost off. So unless you're careful, it's gonna blow up.
You're about to learn from a man who is a true legend. His ideas are transformative. In Japan, he's called the Zen Millionaire. 1 in 20 people in Japan have heard of Ken Honda or have read his books. Ken has written a stunning 58 books translated into 15 languages with 8 million copies in sales. He's also been mentored by some of the most remarkable billionaires in the world, including Wahei Takeda, the Warren Buffett of Japan.
I'm gonna teach you a few things in this masterclass. Number one is money EQ is more important than money IQ because one of the most intelligent people on this planet are making emotional mistakes and they lose all the money. That's why money EQ is very important. And number two, what is a money container and how to grow it? Number three, you experience the meditation of how to heal the money wounds from the past. And lastly, I'm going to teach you one great secret technique that I learned from my mentor Wahei Takeda. After this masterclass, you'll feel peaceful around money and then less stress around money and start making more money with ease and spending money with more joy. My name is Ken Honda. If you want to learn how to make peace with your money, please sign up for the upcoming masterclass with Mindvalley. See you there. Bye-bye.